Well, today you guys get an update on the beastly dually. Before I continue, I got to give a shout out to the guys at Innovative Auto Works in Calgary. They're the ones who supplied us with these 22-inch DDC wheels that look so awesome. They are the only place in Canada I could get these wheels from. DDC would not ship to Canada. And the guys in Calgary at Innovative Auto Works, they order them by the C-can. So if you're looking for a set, give them a call. They're a really awesome bunch of guys. I sent them pictures of the dually the other day, and I don't think they were expecting me to do such a thing. It looks pretty awesome. All right, let's get into it. We now have the nose cone on. Got the fender well liners installed. They're not all bolted in, but everything's just kind of set into place. You know, like the upper cowl piece, this lower piece. There's going to be some paint touch-ups we got to do. So we don't have the panels aligned. It's just all kind of sitting there bolted on because the dually is going for a little road trip right now. 427 is bolted in. Oh, let's just have a peek. Yes, I have a power steering leak over there leaking on my wheel. That looks good though. And I got it all cleaned up. I had to cut all the wood on the deck so that it actually looks proper and I don't have a bunch of overhang on it. Because the dually needs to step out of the shop for a bit because we have to make room. We have something really cool coming in. We have three, not one, but three 68 Camaros coming in for paint. And we have to do them all just one after the other. 2 small blocks and a big block. And that's exciting. I love Camaros. So the dually takes up the most room. It's got to come out. We also have the 1970 Mercedes that's getting the electric conversion. It's coming home from the sandblasters today, so I'm out of room. So the beastly dually's got to step outside for a bit. So I just thought I'd give you guys a little update in case we don't see it for a little while. I'll get back on it as soon as I can. I'm going to be gone for a couple of weeks again anyways, off to work. And there you go. That is your update for today.